Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. As we continue our journey of preparing 60 exotic dishes from 20 different countries, the showstopper for today's dessert are these cute little kiwi berries which are native to northern region in Asia. And I'm also using mango and fresh peaches to get this gorgeous dessert. We upload new videos every Saturday. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. And for the ingredients, please check the description section. I'll start by slicing the kiwi berries. These cute berries are available only from September to early October. As I could get hold of this, I am lucky enough to prepare this dessert. Then let me chop the mango. I have taken one large fully ripe mango. Then I'll chop the golden peaches. I'll take little amount of cold water in a bowl and sprinkle gelatin powder over it and allow it to bloom for 10 minutes. Then I'll microwave it for 30 seconds for gelatin to melt and cool it to room temperature. Then I'll take the chopped peaches in a bowl. To that I'll add powdered sugar and microwave it for a minute so that the peaches are a bit soft. Then I'll start pureeing the mango. Then I'll take whipping cream which I have chilled. To that I'll be adding powdered sugar in batches and whip it so that the cream is aerated and light. Then I have taken cream cheese which I have kept it to room temperature. I'll whisk it by adding little amount of powdered sugar and this I will mix with the whipped cream. Then I'll add the melted gelatin, the chopped and the softened peaches, Greek yogurt, give it a mix. Then I'll add in the mango puree. Depending upon the amount of mango flavor, you can add in the mango puree. Once all the ingredients are mixed, I will fill it up in a piping bag and allow it to chill for 1 hour. Then for a little texture, I am using some plain biscuits which I will crush it. This adds a bit of texture to the mousse. Then I'll start filling up the dessert molds with sliced kiwi berries. The mousse has chilled thoroughly. I'll start squeezing it into the molds. Then I'll sprinkle little amount of crushed biscuit crumbs. Top it up with little more mousse. And it is the topping that makes a dessert, so I'll be using little amount of mango pieces and mango jelly along with sliced kiwi berries. And this refreshing dessert is ready. It is not only a treat to the eyes but also to the taste buds. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button for this recipe, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos. Thank you.